Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I used some kind of wrinkly old tomatoes and made two different products. Sun-dried tomatoes, well, dehydrator dried tomatoes, and tomato powder. Let's go. First step was to wash all of my cherry tomatoes and then kind of sort through them and get rid of any that looked too far gone, like this one. The middle one here is just slightly wrinkled and the last one is actually still pretty plump. So get rid of any that are moldy or just really nasty looking. And then I just cut all of them in half and added them to my dehydrator tray. And then I went ahead and stuck them in my dehydrator. I ended up kind of putting some space in between these, and then I set this to 125 degrees for overnight, and they weren't quite ready, so I did it another night for 135 and it was a lot better. So then I took them all out and kind of unstuck them from the little plastic sheet, threw them in my food processor, and then I did keep some behind just to use as like sun-dried tomatoes. Blitzed them up. It probably took 4 minutes or so for it to kind of get to a powdery consistency. You could use a spice grinder to get, you know, finer granules, but this was fine. Funneled it into my jars, and that was that. It was a long process, but I didn't have to do much, so here's how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.